Hi, my name is Jason Woods and welcome to Chasing the Apex. Guys, I know I didn't release a video last week, but I gotta tell you it was a really busy week. So what happened was, if you were watching the news, you know. So unfortunately that put me a little behind. I've been at work for about 10 days straight-ish, but I do have something for you today. And this is kind of neat, and I think you'll like it. But before I begin, I want to thank Pat from Pat's Online Garage. You can see his link below. And he sent me a really cool sticker, and it's on my sponsor refrigerator. Actually, it's where my beer is. And if you can't tell, and you will be able to tell rather, you'll see that we have our own stickers now. So thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and I think you'll like this.
So we are in a 2003 540i Sport. This car was manufactured, brought into the States only 1 year, that's 2003, as a tribute to E39. As it was going out to production, imported into the States like 1,250, 60, I'm not exactly sure the exact number, but something like that.
That's pretty rare.
Yeah, I mean, for a BMW in North America, it's pretty rare, actually. Obviously, it's 1,200 cars out of this E39 chassis. Pretty rare. So what's special about it, what's in common with the M5, I had one of those too, the E39 M5. It's the suspension, the shadowline trim on the outside, Alcantara headliner on the automatic. It came with a 315 gear in the back and a different torque converter. So very responsive on the foot. Nice heavy steering with the hydraulic box.
Is it a hydraulic? I thought it was rack and pinion for some reason.
No, hydraulic box. And so the 530 I have has a rack in it. Okay. And that's pretty much what makes it special and or in common with the M. Basically the M5 without the motor and tranny of the M. So everything else there, that little lip spoiler was added, came with it. And that's it. I love the responsiveness, the torque. It's not it's 290 horsepower, around 330 foot-pounds of torque, but it's, it's really peppy right off the line. And yeah, very responsive, which I like. I like torquey cars, so it was a good fit for me. The seating position and the E39s I love. I missed the car. I'm into an Audi and have another car now, but yeah, definitely missed the car. So that's it.
And you're crazy enough to let us drive it. That's what's really interesting.
Ah, absolutely. Cars are for, right? People driving.
So we're looking at about 290 to 300 brake horsepower, about 300 feet-pounds of torque. I mean, brilliantly done. Alcantara everywhere. I mean, this is Alcantara before Alcantara was cool. I mean, but we'd get in a Ferrari before, maybe you'd see Alcantara, probably not. They probably kind of pulled that stuff out of the dustbin even during that time. Yeah. But here I am in this older car, you know what I mean? And BMW, don't get mad at me Germans, BMW was doing it well beyond its time. And absolutely beautiful vehicle. And I can't believe the power in this. I mean, literally, the faster you go, the more it wants to go. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. And the hydraulic steering rack is just so stable. It's almost like I could ask it to make me a cup of coffee and continue to drive in a spirited fashion. Absolutely brilliant. And I love the visibility. The visibility is amazing. I mean, you can see everywhere. There's no question on where you're on the road. There's no blind spots. I love the mirrors too. I mean, the mirrors you just look, you're there. The pedals are well placed. You could trail brake if you needed to. You could put this on the track and wreck some shop here, and I believe that. Especially for an earlier car. Yeah. It's really brilliant. I mean, I'm taken off guard. I mean, outside, obviously, it's
absolutely beautiful. I mean, every time I drive by it, I drool, but hey, what are you gonna do? Who wouldn't? If you grew up in the 90s or the 2000s, you grew up with this being a status car. This was the car for the driver. And you know, that was BMW's motto for a long time. I think it still is, where, you know, they build things with the driving experience in mind, or the ultimate driving experience. And I think they've done that. I mean, we're going back to the early 2000s, you know, from 2020, we're looking at a car that's almost over 20 years old. And it would hold its own with any modern car. Absolutely amazing. Mid-corner, it's solid, it just stays planted, you know, the acceleration's wonderful, it's good on the brakes. I mean, it's a modern classic, that's exactly what it is. You know, it's absolutely amazing. And in its price range, I don't know if you guys watch this stuff, I don't really quote stats, you guys know that. But I mean, it's going anywhere between 4 grand and 20 grand, you know, and I want it. That's what's going on here, is I want this. It's got all the modern amenities. It's got a moonroof, the seat position's wonderful. I love the steering wheel, I love the size. I love how it just sits so firmly in your hands. It's almost like dancing with a young lady on a ballroom floor. But you know, this is not a, you know, just not any young lady. I'm not in a country bar here. I'm, you know, obviously she has some heritage, she has some class, she's well raised, and BMW is proving that to me, and that's what's occurring. I'm experiencing that. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, when we talk about BMW and it being the ultimate driving experience, you can see the heritage in this moving into the modern BMW. And that's really neat, because I like the fact that I like when cars don't change styles constantly. I like looking at something and going, oh, I know what that is. You know, versus some modern cars, I can't tell. You know, they change their body style constantly. But in this, I can go, oh, that's a BMW. I wonder if that's an M series. It looks like an M series because it's got the nice wing. Now this one has Bilstein suspension in it. Now that's a pretty penny, and that adds to this experience of driving. I mean, it just holds. It's like the thing's on rails. I could probably let go mid-corner. We're not going to do that, but it would probably hold this line. Yeah. So we're going to go a little deep here. I'm going to get on the brakes a little bit mid-corner. No, I don't even have to get on the brakes. I can just follow her through. Look at that. Brilliantly done. Well done, BMW. Well done. And it's just so easy. It's just so easy. It's as easy as any modern car I've ever driven. I mean, I can't imagine not being satisfied with this. As a matter of fact, go drive a modern BMW, then come drive this, and tell me the modern BMW is that much better, because I don't believe it. So, thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and we'll see you next week. Eric, thanks for letting me drive your car. Absolutely.
So thanks for watching Chasing the Apex. Obviously, it was an amazing drive. Before I leave, I want to thank Pat from Pat's Online Garage. If you guys haven't checked him out, check out his link below. Thank you for adding a sticker to our sponsor refrigerator, which is really awesome. We have stickers in stock now. We have one coming your way as well. I can't wait to make your wall of fame. Ours aren't as big or as cool as yours are, because I don't know how to make stickers. But, you know, hey, we got them. But thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and we'll see you next week. Do me a favor, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Obviously, we put this together as fast as we could to bring you guys something. Thanks again for watching Chasing the Apex.